One sunny morning, Peppa Pig and her little brother George were getting ready for a fun day outside. "Let's go on an adventure," said Peppa excitedly. Mommy Pig packed some sandwiches and Daddy Pig brought a big map. They walked into the forest behind their house. Birds were singing, and the sun was shining brightly. Suddenly, they saw a big puddle of mud. "Can we jump in it?" asked George. "Of course," giggled Peppa. They jumped and splashed until they were covered in mud. But oh no! They were so muddy that even Daddy Pig couldn't recognize them. "Time to clean up," said Mommy Pig, laughing. They went back home, took a bath full of bubbles, and put on warm pajamas. At night, Daddy Pig read them a bedtime story. "That was the best adventure ever," said Peppa, yawning.